let me do it. I want to do it.
All right. This cocktail party.
Oh, wait, no.
Oh, you know, man, if it's not, it's our own cocktail party.
Knock, knock. Knock, knock, knock.
Can you open the door, please?
Ah, hey!
Hey there.
Oh, God.
I'm here.
Yeah.
I'm here.
Are you blind?
So why don't you
take a seat?
Oh, yeah.
Anywhere you want.
Okay. All right, well, you guys just all sit down.
Oh, my God, I didn't know you were blind. All this time I've known you.
Yeah. Thank you for pointing out my disability right off the bat. Okay, so
I'm the only one here. It doesn't matter.
this is dirty. Ready? Everyone just sit down. It's going to be a good party. You don't have a shirt on. Where's the birthday girl? Seriously, where's the birthday girl? Where's the there she is. Does that feel good?
Thanks, Sylvia, for the blind stripper.